Hey guys, what's up? Another 2-minute just the tip for you. Today is the fastest way to get better at sales. All right, put 2 minutes on the clock so I can thoroughly ignore it. I'm not going to go into detail as to why, but the best way to get better at sales is to record your own sales calls and then get someone who is either really good at asking questions, like another salesperson who can kind of not judge, but just ask, or someone who has no idea about sales, like your partner or something like that, to listen to it with you and for you to coach them on why you said what you said. You will pick up mistakes, you will pick up awesome things, but it is one of the absolute fastest way to get better at sales, right? So just record the call, go through the whole process, sit them down and coach them through exactly why you did what you did, and let them ask all kinds of weird, wild, and wonderful questions, because they will come up with stuff that you never could. Same way that a kid can ask you all kinds of weird and crazy questions. You're like, where did you come up with that? Sometimes we're just too close to it. So that's my tip on how to get better at sales the absolute fastest possible way.